Well, we're conducting investigations, so they're really
For
different.
what?
Because there's shots fired, people are extremely uncooperative.
Huh? Well, I mean, look at all these police.
Yeah, because there were shots multiple times.
Who is you yelling at?
You.
You don't yell at me. I don't care who you is. That's one thing you're not gonna do. You're gonna respect me. You're gonna have some respect.
Ground right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. On your face.
Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
When police responded to multiple frantic calls about active gunshots in a quiet neighborhood, they expected to find a dangerous gunman. What they didn't expect was an entire family ready to go to war with law enforcement just to shield a suspect. Watch what happens when a simple investigation turns into a multi-felony takedown, and wait until you see the staggering sentence the judge handed down.
Excuse me.
You're
They
good.
jumped on that white man. They kicked him and beat the out. Me and my neighbor seen it.
Out of who?
The gentleman in the gray pants right there?
Yep.
He was
And,
shooting a gun, about 8 rounds or so.
did.
Then he knocked the female down, then he knocked the male and the
Yep.
female down.
And-
Where are
over
those
there.
people?
Right there.
Right there.
No.
The greenhouse.
Them two guys and the white people right there in this house right here.
Did anyone get shot?
No.
No,
shot
but
here.
they shot it. They shot the damn gun.
I seen him shooting it.
Okay.
And then
Just
when
hang
he
tight.
I heard it. I
We're gonna be
did.
right-
I heard it.
Okay.
But I seen him when they beat that man up.
What kind of gun did he have?
it was a pistol. I don't
Okay.
know. Couldn't tell.
Okay.
But I seen him boom, boom, boom.
Them two right there. Them two guys. They
All right,
beat
all right.
that man
The
up.
two that are
Ma'am,
pushing?
Ma'am, I seen it. So the guy in the gray shorts
Yep.
shot the gun off. The other guy is kind of camouflage shorts.
Yep.
All right. It's the guy in the gray that he's pushing him back. He's the one that shot off the rounds, knocked over the grill, and started smacking a woman who went this way.
Okay.
And then before she got it over here, they got in the neighbor's yard, and he popped that gentleman in the white shirt, the guy in the gray. And then
Yeah.
when another man came out, the one that's up by the door now, that's when the other guy, I guess it's his brother, came over and started jumping him.
Yep. And
Okay.
they start kicking the man.
Where are you at? Because we're
I
gonna.
live right here.
Okay. We'll be back to talk to you in a minute. Okay.
Hey guys, what's going on?
So I heard gunshots.
Okay.
I came outside.
Is anyone shot or anything?
No.
What's that
attacked-
from?
Those two right there attacked me.
They attacked you?
They attacked me
Why?
because I was trying
That-
to defend a girl.
Okay. Do you
They're
need medical
trying-
attention?
No.
Alright, just one sec.
No, they attacked.
Hey, he's saying he was battered by these two guys.
Try it again.
Alright.
So try it again.
Try what
Try it
again?
again. Mommy, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing not one thing. Not one thing.
On the house.
Yeah. So far, he's saying he was battered by
He
them.
wasn't battered.
Oh, he's bleeding. Okay.
Damn. That's a hurt. No.
Yeah, dude in the gray had the gun.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting
Okay.
for more people to get because they're all trying to fight us.
You don't tell us how this is gonna go.
What?
You don't get to tell us how this is gonna go. We're gonna figure all this out.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
Don't approach him.
Why?
So that's how it's
shots
going.
fired.
We're not
So can
taking
you-
we're not taking your word for it. We're standing right
well,
here.
do what you got to do then.
All right. That's what we're gonna
Do
do.
what you got to do. No, go in the house.
Go to the house.
Go in the house.
Go to the house.
We'll lock the house down. We don't care.
Huh?
We'll lock the house down.
What you mean?
We'll surround it. Doesn't matter.
Okay. Can you tell us what happened? I don't know if they talked to you yet. Let's step behind the car.
Yeah, the guy, I heard gunshots. And I heard gunshots, and he was holding the girl down. She left.
Which one was holding the girl down?
This right here.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was gonna.
This one with the jean shorts?
Yeah, he says he's a killer. And the other guy comes up and I said, look, just leave her alone. And then they attacked me.
Okay. You want paramedics?
No,
Okay.
Who attacked?
Which one was it?
both of them.
Okay.
For what reason?
Because I told them to quit beating on the girl.
What was she wearing?
I have no idea, man.
Okay.
So, Ansha.
Okay, so let me tell you like this. Y'all, all of y'all, it's on. Y'all said it's public property.
Well, we're conducting investigations, so they're really
For
different.
what?
Because there's shots fired, people are extremely uncooperative.
Huh? Well, I mean, look at all these police.
Yeah, because there were shots, multiple times.
Who is you yelling at?
You.
You don't yell at me. I don't care who you is. That's one thing you're not gonna do. You gonna respect me. You gonna have some respect. I don't care. No, because I was talking to you like a calm person, and the way that you sit up here and you just raised your voice at me, I don't play that. You don't raise your voice at me. You were talking more calmly. What's up?
We had multiple calls for shots fired. That's why we're here.
Okay. And like,
That's why we're checking to see if everybody's okay. We want to make sure nobody's hurt.
Nobody's hurt. Like I was trying to tell him before he started raising his voice at me. He said that I was like, okay. He said they're being uncooperative, but it's like all these police for what? You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, anytime we get a call for possible shots fired, yeah, there's going to be a big response. You have to understand, for everybody's protection here, but as well as for ours. So you have to understand it's not like a call where there's a, lost cat or something.
We get it. Investigation?
Not yet. We're all just getting here, so we'll figure it out, sir, and we'll be out of here.
Okay, so y'all just here for it. Okay.
Yep, absolutely.
And you don't want paramedics or anything? If you want, they can come check you out right down the block.
Dad, they're stepping on you.
Oh, lose consciousness or anything?
A little bit.
Dad.
I'm cool.
No, you're not. You have cancer. We can't. This isn't okay. This is not okay.
No, I don't need anything.
Yes, you do, Dad.
No, I don't. I'm not going to let anybody get a girl in front of me.
No, you did the right thing.
No, he didn't.
I mean, he's trying to help her, so.
He didn't help at all. Now we're involved and they hate us. He didn't help them at all.
I just. Maybe I'll call Daddy again. Like,
Quick, fast, and hurry.
Yeah, do me a favor, sir. Just stay away from this area right here, okay? You can go over here. I appreciate it.
Now, please hurry up with
Thank you.
Get off my property, please. Thank you.
I'm not going to right now, sir. I'm sorry.
Once y'all done, please get off my property.
Ma'am, don't walk through here, please. Just go around me.
This way my mama lives.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm going this way. Don't touch me.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
Yeah. You on your way?
You back up. Don't touch
Hey,
her.
hey, we don't need this.
You're not allowing me to.
That's the dog.
We don't need this.
Don't touch my
You on
mom.
your way?
Straight up. Y'all want us back
Okay,
up?
come
Y'all
on,
back up.
it's like 30 deep.
So respect.
who's that, Daddy?
Go in the road.
It's like 30 deep. I'm not walking up on you, but I need to get through here.
This is a crime scene.
It don't matter. You walking up. Don't walk up.
Take him. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. On your face.
Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Y'all trick. Ain't worth. Don't touch it. I was late. Don't touch me.
Bat Leo. Oh, Bat Leo, right there. Spit on my face. Bat Leo. Congratulations. Felony charge. Battery on Leo. He just spit in my face. Keep adding the charges, bud. Yeah, you will. Ma'am, can I tell you something? Ma'am, what are you doing? Hey, Curcio, watch her.
Man, don't come over here. Don't touch my mama.
Okay.
Don't touch my mama. Don't touch me.
Doesn't stay on the
I don't know
sidewalk.
what for. You ain't taking me no well. I tell you that, man. You ain't gonna take me no well.
Now you're going to jail for another Bat Leo.
2 Bat Leos, got it.
Bat Leo threats to Leo. I hate y'all shooting a gun. So what? I do it. I ain't got no gun. You can't do that. Wait, do that. Do that. I saw the gun. What's your ass? Shoot. Do it.
I mean, you stared at me like a
Hey! Yeah.
stare at me, your eyes follow me everywhere.
Y'all can touch. I'm not going over there, but I am going to touch my son. You thought you're not. That's my face. Yes. Hey! Y'all back up, man.
We're not doing this.
No, we are not doing this. Come on, my face.
Come on. They ain't worth it. We gotta go to work in the morning. They ain't worth it.
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just telling you
Can I talk
this.
to you over here?
How
Can
you
I talk
telling
to
me
you
to
over
come down when she walking out
Can
up in
I
my
talk
face?
to you over
I'm
here?
trying to make,
Okay,
I'm
never
trying to make it a work
I'm
tomorrow.
trying to talk
But
to
I don't need nobody all up in my
I'm
face.
just trying to talk to you. Do you want to talk to me?
No. Okay. Absolutely not. I don't have nothing to say to y'all. But I do. Don't try to handle my son. Don't. I'm not going over there.
Oh, okay, that's what you call it? You harassing people.
I receive a paycheck for it.
Oh, I receive a paycheck for what I do too. I call what you call it. It's harassing.
Hey!
Harassing. Harassing. And okay, so why all y'all is up on him like that?
Because he's not cooperating, ma'am.
Hey, you're not.
So
I told y'all to get the fuck out of my face.
For one boy?
Walk away.
Y'all
walk
for
away.
one boy.
You walk away. You walk away. Hey, y'all get off my son like that.
Keeps kicking him.
Maybe if they'll let him
They're
go.
just trying to get him in the car, but he's resisting the whole time. He ran from us.
Like this. Come on
He's
now.
an
It's
adult.
not what you do, it's how you do it.
Don't run and spit at cops.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
It's what he
Because
did. It's what
y'all
he did. He
wrong
spit
too.
on cops.
Y'all wrong
Nobody's
too.
wrong. We got called
Yes, you
here.
are. You
We got
wrong.
okay.
You wrong.
We got called here. We didn't just show up.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Hey, don't tell my son nothing.
I lost. Curcio.
Because he was handling himself in the same manner that.
But it doesn't matter. He has no reason.
He has
to
the
be
right to
detained right
speak.
now, according
Yeah,
to the law.
Took flight and ran. So
Ran well. What he need to run for?
Y'all had him on the ground, so where the f did he
he
run?
ran from here to there.
Let me handle this.
He was up there when y'all came up with tasers on him with lights. So where the f did he run?
See, y'all
Where did
respect
he run?
for
He
people
was
to
on
calm
his
down,
hands
but y'all
and
don't
knees.
give.
So
Y'all
where
want
did
to
he run?
Let me handle this, son, please, because I'm not trying to go to jail because that's what it can get to the point. Now, listen to me. Y'all want respect, but y'all don't want to
Y'all
give
don't want
it.
to
I'm
give it.
giving it to
You
you.
understand what I'm saying? Okay, then why did you put your hands on my son?
I didn't touch the rest of your son.
You just said y'all ran up on him with tasers and put my
Yes,
son on the
because
ground.
there was a shooting. I am
Okay,
protecting
but
the
they
evidence.
don't have nothing to do with no shooting. If you want to find out something, come up and ask. Don't pull guns and tasers on my children.
Yes, that's
Here,
what
y'all
happened.
did.
Understand what I'm saying? Now, we pull guns and tasers on y'all, then what?
That would be
First
bad
off,
news
don't
for
point
you,
your
sir.
finger in my face.
I can point wherever the I want to point
You'll
at.
go right back to prison, buddy. I got no problem putting your ass back in prison. I have no problem. I am the
Lieutenant,
You're gonna kill me? Now you're going to jail.
unnecessary. Just go. Hey, Lieutenant, we don't have permission to go inside the house.
These crackers smoking on.
Please go in the house. Please go in the house.
Daddy, I didn't do not one thing
I know you
wrong.
did, but please
I
go
ain't
in
do
the
nothing wrong.
house.
Just get on that corner right there. Hey, right there, that corner, so you can see all the way to the back. Okay, all right.
Chill out. Now, what is the problem? Y'all got my children all upset, and you can get me upset. Now, what's going on? No, we ain't done talking. Now, what's the problem? I want to know what the problem is. I wanted my son in there, but you say you're doing an investigation. The way you're doing investigation comes with respect, not the manner of showing y'all authority trying to run over people.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
What the f*** you mean you don't know what we're talking about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, f*** you.
Hell nah, man.
I tell you what, all this in the end. Y'all want a war, eventually gonna be that.
What kind of war is it?
You can't give me no affidavit. Why should I give you something? I'm trying to find out the f*** going on my children. And y'all talking about bullshit. Y'all think y'all got a gun in your bag, y'all shit. Man, f*** you motherfuckers.
Yeah, we're just gonna collect the gun shell casings and leave. That's it. Yep, 100%. 100%.
Get him and please go.
100%, sir. 100%.
Please, get him and go.
Yep. We're just collecting, and then we're gonna go.
All right,
Yep. I'm counting down the seconds. Trust me. Man, I wish we could move faster.
Make sure y'all catch the that just shot in my yard.
Gotcha. I'm sure the neighborhood's gonna give us plenty of information for that, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Man, y'all please just get out of here.
We're as soon as we're doing it. Y'all have a great night. Take care.
Later.
Nope.
Okay, catch you later.
City clear. We're taking it today.
What started as an attempt to evade a domestic violence and weapon investigation spiraled into a catastrophic list of charges. The suspect was hit with improper exhibition of a firearm, resisting with violence, 4 counts of threatening an officer, and 4 counts of battery on law enforcement. Ultimately, the judge handed down a sentence of 31.2 months in state prison. Was the family right to argue, or did their interference only make a bad situation worse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw body cam breakdowns.
Alright, everybody back in their cars and we'll rendezvous somewhere else.
Try to get the victim out of next door. He doesn't want to be seen by the neighborhood.
That's fine. We've got...
So we got charges on which one?
We've got charges on...
Dude, it's already 10:15 and the guy with no shirt.
We don't have a victim next door?
We do.
We do. Did you have a phone number for her?
I'm going to go grab it. He's cooperative. He wants to go to FD, but he doesn't want to walk out in front of everybody. Just battery, yeah.
Just simple battery?
There's allegedly a female victim that he tried to intervene in some kind of domestic. They were beating the out of this girl. She ran off. So
okay, so we don't have her.
We just have
let's
him.
get a phone number for 11:30 and see if you can call him. Okay.